How to enable magnification on Android. This tutorial shows you how to turn it on so you can zoom into any part of your screen. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, tap Accessibility. After that, tap Vision Enhancements. At this point, tap Magnification from the list of options. From here, toggle on Magnification Shortcut to enable it. Following this, a pop-up will appear explaining how to use the shortcut. Tap OK to confirm. After that, a small floating accessibility button will appear on the side of your screen. Tap it whenever you want to activate magnification. From here, once magnification is active, use 2 fingers to drag around the screen and pinch to adjust the zoom level up or down. At this point, on Android 16, you can also zoom into the keyboard by enabling the Magnify Keyboard toggle on the same magnification settings page, which makes it easier to find specific letters or emojis. Finally, to turn off magnification, just tap the floating shortcut button again and your screen will return to normal straight away. Keep in mind that if your triple tap shortcut is preferred over the floating button, you can change the shortcut type from within the same magnification settings page. That's how you enable magnification on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then!